Microsoft Excel lets you join text values from different cells into one cell. Combining the text is referred to as concatenation. Combine first and last names with an ampersand operator. It joined the two texts without space. Modify the formula to add space between the values. Expand the formula to apply it to the corresponding rows. Both functions work similarly. They combine text strings separated by a comma. To add space between values, use an empty string. A more efficient function to join text with space, while empty cells are ignored. The sample data has some empty cells. Specify empty string as a delimiter. Set ignore blanks to true. Add cell references. Expand the formula.